The only reason I ask is you're kind of slurring your speech a little bit. I can smell the odor of an alcoholic-based beverage.
No,
so,
but it's not that serious.
Okay, do you take any medication or anything like that?
I mean, no, not at all.
What do you mean?
No, it's just funny because, like, honestly, like,
Okay.
Mount Prospect, Illinois. A routine traffic stop. One officer, one driver. One decision that turned a speeding ticket into 2 criminal charges.
Hello. My name's Officer Lee. I'm the Mount Prospect Police Department. Pulled you over today for speeding. Do you know how fast you're going?
I hope in the legal limit.
No, far from it. Do you know what the posted speed limit on Route 83 over here is? Elmhurst Road.
Well,
Okay, how fast do you think you're going?
I thought I was going like 35.
You're going 55 in a 35. 20 miles over this posted speed limit. Any reason you're going so fast?
No, I'm going.
Okay. Any reason it took you so long to stop, even though I honked at you several times?
28 of boy, Nora X-ray.
Okay, so you didn't see me? So I was following you for a little, quite a bit of ways through here through the parking lot, and you weren't stopping.
Running red lights.
Okay, do you have your driver's license on you?
And running red lights.
I'm gonna come over and get that from you. Okay, can I see your license, please?
Yeah, of course. I didn't see you at all.
Okay. Where are you coming from tonight?
My house.
Your house?
I have my boyfriend living here.
Your boyfriend lives here, okay.
My driver's license?
Yes, please.
No.
That's not your driver's license?
Oh, I'm so sorry. No, it is. It is completely legal. I'm so sorry.
It's completely what?
It's good. It's good.
Okay. All right, how much have you had to drink tonight?
I didn't.
Coming back Clear Valley.
Yeah, but anything to drink? Okay, what kind of drink?
Just like a little more,
Golden, Colorado.
A cocktail or a beer or
Comes back on a Toyota RAV4 though.
came from my friend's house. Yeah, a little cocktail. Yeah.
a cocktail like what? Like vodka or rum?
Just a little mixed drink.
A little mixed drink?
My
About
boyfriend does live here.
Okay, about what time did you have that mixed drink?
Like 2 hours ago.
2 hours ago? Was it a big glass, small glass?
A medium-sized glass.
Medium-sized glass? Did you finish the whole thing?
I did.
How long did it take you to drink? Guess.
Maybe like an hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Okay, so about 2 hours ago, and then you finished drinking maybe half an hour ago? Would you say that was safe?
20.
Okay, very good. And nothing else besides that one mixed drink? Okay, the only reason I ask is you're kind of slurring your speech a little bit. I can smell the odor of an alcoholic-based beverage.
No,
so,
but it's not that serious.
Okay, do you take any medication or anything like that?
I mean, no, not at all.
What do you mean?
No, it's just funny because, like, honestly, like,
Okay, do you...
I'm sorry.
Okay, you're not diabetic, are you?
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Okay.
I'm healthy and well. I'm sorry.
All right, very good. Do you have proof of insurance for the car? Do you have proof of insurance for the car?
Yeah, I do.
Why don't you get working on that? I'll be right back with you, okay? So stay right here.
Yeah.
Okay. You have the insurance?
2017 by Addison for
I
driving
have
under
it
suspended.
with me, but I do have insurance.
Okay, very good. We'll worry about that in a little bit.
Like if I, no, actually, no, I took out my.
Okay.
I do have it.
We'll worry about that in a little bit. You mind stepping out? I got to talk to you out here for just a moment.
Okay.
Is the car in park?
Yeah.
All right, very good. I don't want this to roll off on you. If you step out, I got to talk to you back here. What's up?
You can't talk to me right now?
No, I got to talk to you back over here. We'll turn that down for you. We'll go talk over on the side over here. Over here. Melissa, over here. Okay. Talking over here. So you said you just had the one drink?
Yeah.
The mixed drink about 2 hours ago? Okay. Because of some of your behavior and some of your driving, I want to run you through a few tests, make sure you're okay. That's all, okay? So, do you wear any contacts or glasses or anything like that?
I do have contacts, but I didn't wear them today.
Okay. All right, very good. Do you have any other eye problems, abnormalities, stuff like that?
No.
You're good? How's like your general health? You're not sick or anything, are you?
No.
No? Okay. How's like your hips, ankles, knees, all that? That all good?
I have to just go to the bathroom, but other than that, I'm great.
I'll try to make this fast for you, okay? All right, do me a favor. Stand with your feet together just like this.
No,
Okay. And your hands at your side like this.
Yeah, first.
What I want you to do is follow the tip of my finger.
You guys, don't look at me.
These are my bodyguards.
Of course.
So I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? So don't move your head, just your eyes, okay? All right, you see my finger?
Our driver here is telling me this is some kind of permanent plate out of Montana.
Only because the bright light is on my
Okay.
eye, but
Is that better?
yeah, it's going to see it. I can see it.
Okay, keep following it.
The only reason I was smiling is because I watch so many cop cars. I'm sorry. Like, you know, like the cop
Okay.
shows. Okay, sorry.
Keep following it. Okay, keep
Let me.
focus.
I know. No, that's,
You're good. You're good.
I promise you, like.
Okay,
this
keep
is
your
just
hands at your
my
side.
personality, okay?
There you go. Trust me, we've dealt with far worse. So
Just let us know.
try not to move your head, okay? Stare,
yeah,
stare
right.
straight ahead and just follow the tip of my finger, okay? You see it? Can you look at it?
Yeah.
All right, there we go.
The stop was lawful. Under Whren versus United States, 1996, a traffic violation alone establishes probable cause, 55 and a 35 red lights, failure to yield, each sufficient on its own. At the window, slurred speech, odor of alcohol, and an admission of consumption. That triggered reasonable suspicion under Terry versus Ohio, 1968, to extend the stop into a full DUI investigation. Officer Liam ran all 3 NHTSA standardized field sobriety tests in sequence. On the walk and turn alone lost count at the turnaround, arms raised for balance. 2 scored clues. NHTSA data, 68% correlation with back at or above 0.08.
Okay. You said it was just the one drink? Are you sure? Okay. Very good. Why don't you stand right here for me? And face the cars. So, what I want you to do is imagine from your left foot all the way that way is a straight line, and I want you to stand with your right foot in front of your left like this.
Yeah.
Keep your hands at your side. You going to be good to do it with those shoes on? You can take them off if you like.
I don't think it's.
Okay, I'm just trying to give you the benefit of that. So stand with your...
Wait, what if I have to go to pee? Like, okay.
I'm trying to make this as fast as possible.
Yeah, of course.
So imagine from your left foot all the way there is a straight line. Once you put your right foot in front of your left, hands at your side like this, and stay there. Okay? I'm gonna explain the test. So get back in that position for me. I'm gonna explain the test for you. I'm gonna demonstrate the test, and then you go. Can you get back in that position for me? Right foot in front of left heel to toe, just like this.
Something, just hypothetically, off the record, this reminds me of Reno 911.
Reno 911?
One, pick
Okay.
one. I might do it. Okay, then I'll get it serious.
Okay. I remember that one too. At least I'm not wearing the short shorts, right?
No, exactly.
All right, very good.
Okay,
So stand like this.
Straight it.
You stand like this for me?
Yep.
All right, so it's going to be 9 heel to toe steps this way. Turn.
How many steps?
9. And then turn 9 back. I want you to count out loud. It's going to go just like this. I'm going to demonstrate the whole test for you. You're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 9. Turn. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So remember, 9 heel to toe steps. Count out loud. Look down at your feet, okay? Whenever you're ready. Keep your hands at your side, too.
Of course.
So whenever you're ready, go ahead.
I already called my boyfriend. He's watching from behind the scenes.
Okay.
This is so annoying. Like, okay.
You ready?
I'm going to do what I can.
Go.
No pressure. 9 and back.
Okay.
Alright? Watch this. 1,
Central from 7100. When you get a chance, I have another
5,
event for you.
6, 7, 8, 9. Don't blame my flat feet. Back. 9. 1. Sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, very good. You have your phone on you?
Yep.
You're saying that's a VIN?
I got another one for you here.
Oh, God. How many more tests?
I'm trying to make this as quick as you can. I'm being as quick as I can. I'm not being mean. No, come on. Okay, come on. So this next one, you're going to pick either foot you want. I want your hands down at your side like this. I'm going to use my right foot. You can use any foot you want. Doesn't matter to me. Hold it approximately 6 inches above the ground, parallel, and count 1001, 1002, 1003, and keep going till I say stop. Look at your foot and keep it 6 inches.
1,000 counts?
Yeah, and count out loud.
6 inches?
6 inches above the ground, approximately. Okay? So don't start until I tell you to, okay? You ready? You understand?
Well, hold on. Hold it up so you say so.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Don't start until I say so, and count out loud till I tell you to stop, okay? Remember, hands at your side, too. Okay?
How far are my hands going to have to be?
Keep your hands at your side.
Oh, right here.
Okay. When I say go, go. Go. Count out loud.
1.
And look at your foot.
100,000. What is it? What's the 100?
Just count out loud and look at your foot.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
7100?
11, 12, 13. I don't know what the
Go
code
ahead.
is.
Keep going. It's fine.
Well,
All right, the first VIN that you gave me, I ran
can
it
come
out
back.
of Illinois,
And
Montana,
then, you know
and
what?
Colorado. And
okay.
the only state that had a response came back with an
That's
expired
not my
plate.
I'm sorry, guys.
Thank you.
Like, I literally, I tried my
Thank you.
best.
And it did come back on that Mercedes, but expired in
Kumbaya, like Rafiki? Was that Kumbaya? No. What does Rafiki say in Lion King? I forgot what he says. Hakuna Matata. So this next one, I'm just gonna ask you. What you do is you blow into it, and if you keep blowing out, one big solid breath takes about 6 to 10 seconds. Okay?
This is where I have no offense because I need a job, but I cannot blow into that.
Why is that?
I've been like very educated with the whole, like, you know, I don't know. I have nothing. Okay,
Well,
you're right.
This is to see where you're at, because I think you've been drinking. So this is to see where you're
I
at.
already admitted to that.
Oh, yeah,
I admitted to
which I appreciate. If you don't do this, then I have to base my judgment, what's going to happen from here on, based on everything else I've seen here. If you said you've only had one drink, this should go really
the test?
low.
Yes or no?
You didn't do very well.
You guys didn't think I did well?
No.
You didn't see this? Oh, then I'm definitely gonna. Thanks for the audience. I'm gonna forfeit this. Can I go to the bathroom really quick?
Okay.
And
So, you sure? Because I want to see where you're at.
I
Because
honestly, well, based on the, like, if I feel the test and then no, I don't want to blow. Like, I'm honestly.
Because I'm trying to give you the opportunity to prove to me that you're okay to drive and you're under the legal limit. So I want to provide you with every opportunity to prove that.
I think I did that with my dancing.
What's that? You did that with your dancing?
With my thing, right?
Okay. Well.
Right, and I put the no. So
No,
I'm just gonna opt the test.
Then came the preliminary breath test. She refused. Under the Illinois Implied Consent Statute, Chapter 625, Section 11501.1, refusal triggers an automatic 1-year license suspension and is admissible at trial as consciousness of guilt. She had the right, but the right had a price. Probable cause for DUI does not require a completed breathalyzer. Under Chapter 625, Section 11501 in Illinois case law, the totality speed, erratic driving, odor, slurred speech, FST clues admission, and PBT refusal was more than sufficient.
You're an opt not to.
But
You're 100% sure. Okay. So, Melissa, based on everything I've seen here, based on your...
Do you think
I think you've been drinking. I think you're over the legal limit. I think you're intoxicated. So right now you're under arrest for DUI. I need to put your hands behind your back, okay?
Wait, 1 second,
No,
one
wait,
second,
wait,
one second, one second. I want to admit 1 second. Okay, I'll blow the test.
You'll do it?
Maybe, but can they please go to the bathroom first?
Not right here. I can't. That's illegal.
It's gonna be, like, if I go out there, it's gonna... No, like,
I can't let you do that right now. I can't let you...
I can escort.
Okay.
You guys are gonna make me... I
Can't have you
to
do
be so
that.
bad already.
I'm trying to make this
That's
quick.
the only reason I rushed here.
The quicker you do this, the quicker we'll get on. So blow real hard like you're blowing up a big balloon, okay?
Can I get, like, confidential advice from a friend?
Not right now, but if you're gonna blow, now's the time. Yes or no?
I have a good lawyer. Oh,
Okay.
no!
It's a yes or no, Melissa. I need you to relax.
Listen.
Okay.
Listen.
I
think we're listen.
Yeah.
Okay. Look, I am.
Blow real hard. This is your last shot.
Okay, you're right.
Okay?
I don't think I'm not drunk.
Blow real hard. Blow hard. Don't blow in. Blow out. Real hard. Go. Hard. Blow. You gotta blow longer and harder. Okay. I'm gonna give you another shot. Okay.
But can I go to the bathroom first?
Not right now.
Then where am I gonna go? No.
Okay. Blow out real hard, real long. Okay, like you're blowing up a big giant balloon.
What? Okay. Fuck it.
All right.
Fuck
Go.
the goddamn thing. I'm not gonna blow into this thing.
Okay.
I'm not gonna compromise myself.
Okay, you're under arrest for DUI. I need you to put your hands behind your back. Okay. Melissa, calm down.
I have to pee. You guys have to pee.
I'm gonna let you pee back at the station. Okay.
We'll bring you back and then you can.
One thing at a time, but we'll let you go.
Custody for DUI.
If I get it, like, no.
We're gonna get everything you need. Okay. We gotta go to the car now, Melissa. Go with these. Go with my partners. I'm gonna get it.
You know what? No. I don't authorize anyone to go into my car.
I have to get your stuff out of your car.
No, you don't.
It's okay.
Close the goddamn door.
You want your phone?
No, I don't authorize it. Stop.
Okay. I'm getting everything you need.
Stop.
Melissa, If you don't comply, you're going to get other charges. You're going to get other charges. Don't do that to yourself.
Can I please call my friend? Like, he's
when you get back to the station, I promise.
No, he can just take my car and that's it. He can
When you
park
get back to the
it.
station, I promise.
No,
Melissa, you're getting very close to getting an obstruction charge, which is going to be worse.
You guys,
Go.
Can you please do this?
Go. Go.
No,
do what you need. Melissa, go.
No, listen to me. Listen
No,
to me.
we're done talking.
No.
Go.
Listen to
Melissa, go.
Okay, stop.
Pull her.
Okay, listen to me. I don't want you to
Well, my son, don't do this.
You guys are so rude.
We're taking care of your car. Don't worry.
I'm watching it.
I'm getting everything you need.
It's like Christmas thing. Like,
All right.
park it right here. You guys can just let him park it. Now you can.
Stop! You're getting in the car right now.
Park. You can let him park my car.
Melissa.
You're gonna hit him. Stop.
Yep.
You guys are so rude. No, hold
Search
on.
her.
You can just let him park my car. We live right here. Hold on. Like,
Melissa, you're about to get another charge.
no, for real. Like, you guys gonna tow my car. Like, that's rude. It's like Christmas time. Don't do that to me.
We'll get more back to the station.
Isn't that enough that he was fucking pulling me over?
Get in the car.
Fucking up like this?
Get in the car, Melissa.
No.
Put your legs in the car.
Another penny. Can you please just can you just be my car here?
Put your foot back in the car.
Get your foot in the door.
Melissa.
No, I'm just serious. I'm not trying to
your
be
foot-
funny. Like, it's not. It's dog.
Foot in the door.
No, like, this is so, I'm sorry, but
Okay.
please.
Melissa, enough.
No,
Put your
but
foot in the
please.
car.
Like, my boyfriend lives here.
I would
Just
go with it.
let him park here, please.
No.
It's gonna be like an hour. Like,
You're getting charged with resisting right now.
No, I'm not trying to do that. Like,
Well, you are.
Doing that right
I'm
now.
trying to comply,
Get
but
your foot in the door
I just
now.
don't want my car to get towed.
Okay.
Like, come
Okay.
on. Like,
Okay,
that's
foot in the door.
It's already enough.
Foot in the door.
Can you please?
Melissa. Post-arrest, she braced her foot against the patrol car door and refused to let officers access her vehicle. That is obstructing a peace officer, Chapter 720, Section 31-1, a Class A misdemeanor. Under South Dakota versus Opperman, 1976, a lawful impound needs no owner consent. Her objection had no legal standing. Officer Liam B. Proper NHTSA protocol. Transparent PBT advisement. Offered a second breath test chance after arrest beyond minimum obligation. Deduction. FST clues not verbally articulated on camera before arrest, weakening the contemporaneous probable cause record. Melissa C. She refused a test that could have freed her. She resisted an arrest that added a charge. She entered this encounter with one problem. She created a second one herself. 3 takeaways. 1. Refusing the PBT is not cost-free. Illinois law makes it administratively and evidentially consequential. 2. No breathalyzer, no problem for the prosecution. Officer observations alone can and do establish DUI probable cause. 3. Resisting a lawful arrest creates independent criminal liability, regardless of whether the original charge holds up in court. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and check out Street Bodycam for more police and courtroom content.